Hello everyone! Is your car struggling to shift gears, stuck in one gear, or going into limp mode? Are you experiencing rough acceleration or poor fuel efficiency? If your OBD-II scanner has detected P0763 Shift Solenoid C Electrical, this means your transmission shift solenoid is not working properly, which can cause serious drivability issues. In this video, I'll explain what P0763 means, its symptoms, and most importantly, where to find the key sensors responsible for this issue. Let's get started. What is P0763? The P0763 trouble code appears when the powertrain control module, PCM, detects an electrical problem with Shift Solenoid C. This means the solenoid is either stuck on or off, preventing the transmission from shifting properly. Ignoring this issue can cause harsh or delayed shifting, transmission stuck in one gear, limp mode, check engine light on, erratic or slipping gears, poor fuel economy, transmission overheating. If you're facing these problems, let's locate the components responsible for the issue. To diagnose P0763, check these key components: Shift Solenoid C, location, inside the transmission valve body, near the transmission pan. Function, controls hydraulic pressure to engage and disengage gears smoothly. Transmission fluid pressure, TFP sensor, location, mounted on the transmission case, close to the valve body. Function, monitors fluid pressure to ensure proper shifting. Transmission input speed sensor, ISS sensor. Location, on the transmission case, near the input shaft. Function, detects input shaft speed to regulate shifting. Transmission control module, TCM. Powertrain control module, PCM. Location, usually found under the hood, near the firewall or battery. Function, controls shift solenoids based on sensor data. Wiring and connectors, runs between the shift solenoids, sensors, and PCM. Common causes of P0763, faulty shift solenoid C. If stuck on or off, it prevents smooth gear shifting. Wiring or connector issues. Corroded or broken wires can disrupt solenoid operation. Dirty or low transmission fluid. Contaminated fluid can affect solenoid performance. Failed transmission fluid pressure sensor. Incorrect readings can cause shifting problems. PCM-TCM software issues. A software update or reset may be required. How to fix P0763. Step 1. Check transmission fluid, ensure it's clean and at the correct level. Step 2. Inspect shift solenoid C. Test for electrical continuity using a multimeter. Step 3. Check the transmission fluid pressure sensor. Compare its readings with expected values. Step 4. Inspect all wiring and connectors. Look for loose, corroded, or damaged wires. Step 5. Test the input speed sensor, ISS. Ensure it's functioning properly. Step 6. Examine the PCM-TCM connections. Step 7. Clear the code and test drive. Use an OBD-II scanner to reset the code and check for improvements. If left unfixed, P0763 can lead to major transmission damage and expensive repairs. Identifying the faulty component early can save you from a costly breakdown. For more car repair tips, check out these videos next. P0392, camshaft position sensor B circuit low. P0393, camshaft position sensor B circuit high. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for expert car diagnostics.